So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Solarcon A99 18-footer. Finally all put together. And I did it inside because there's snow outside. The more I can do in the warm, the better. So, here's what I ran into. There used to be a gap right there. And yeah, don't use pliers. Use at least a crescent wrench to tighten these things together. There used to be about a 1/4 of an inch gap there and there. So at the middle section and the top section, there was a gap. So I called Solarcon. And I asked him, I said, is there any way I can get away from using... I said, is it normal for this to have a 1/4 inch gap? Because I couldn't find anywhere online that would show that close of a close-up of the A99. I mean, it was a gap like that flipping big. And it was caused by these little things. I almost called them a bad word. Anyways, these lock washers were actually stopping it and would not allow it to be almost tight and flush as can be. I mean, right now, you couldn't slide a piece of paper through there. So it's a lot better. But anyways, I called Solarcon and asked them about it. He said, actually, just throw those things away. They will hold up better or just the same without those little lock washers than if you were to have them on. He said there should not be a gap that big. Mine, on this end, the start of the middle section was pretty tight. And yeah, I made the mistake. I was using stupid channel locks, or, whatever those are, pliers, channel locks, you know what I'm talking about. And I thought, you know what? Instead of scraping up everything, went and grabbed a crescent wrench. Done and done. No more scrapes on it anywhere. So when you go to assemble it also, the hardware that comes with it is actually really cool. Unlike another company that shall remain nameless, comes with cheaper metal, doesn't even come with lock washers for the mounting brackets. And all you're going to need is an 11 millimeter box end wrench. Or if you happen to have a deep well socket, I'd still go with a box end wrench, personally. But so there you go. I hope this video helps you a little bit. See, even my dog knows that it's good. It's all good now. All right, take care. God bless. See ya.